This is the front entrance to Bird Adams Scout Reservation. You'll go through this gate and follow the directions to where we're setting up or unloading at maintenance facility. After you come through the front gates, this is the road to the right that will go down to the red lot where we will be unloading. This sign right here, the welcome sign to Bird Adams, this is the Ranger living quarters. The road down to the left and stay to the left goes to the maintenance facility where we are going to be storing all of the cars. Down this road, past the sign that says Bird Adams Trading Post, on the left is the entrance to Red Lot. It'll be on your left, and that's where we'll be unloading and setting up. Okay guys, we're going to give you a short video of everything we hope to be looking at today and far as our setup. This is Conrad here with the Ranger group out here at Bird Adams Camp. And so just kind of scan around. We're on the very bottom part of the center field. And up here where I'm going to start with is you'll see my truck. That is the red lot that you may have seen on some of the maps. And we've got our choice of two hills here. One on the left, a little less coverage of grass, but the slope is what they were asking for. And here on the right, more coverage of grass, and the slopes are very similar to each other. And in the back, this is a lounge building that Conrad said is there. We've got a little clump of trees for any kind of cover we need in case weather turns foul. However, this is the lot, the red lot that patrons will be coming to and we can come to unload and set up. And so this is just kind of a view of what everything looks like out here. Conrad, this building here in the distance,
that's the Camp Master cabin.
This is the Camp Master cabin. I'm going to scan all around the infield here. This building here, Moorcock building. And then we're going down to where I'm going to refer to as the bottom of the infield. I've got this pavilion, which is Hendersonville. What was the name of this building, this pavilion right here? Henderson Pavilion right there. And then through those trees right there.
That's the AC2 bathhouse.
Okay, little bathhouse down there. Moving on around over here. This is Fort Barlow, correct? Fort Brumley, I beg your pardon. This is where the archery competition is going to take place and the BB guns. Moving on around over here, we've got a tent area. What's this referred to as, Conrad?
AC5.
AC5. And then I've got another row of buildings up here.
Staff sleeping quarters.
Staff sleeping quarters to the right of the lounge as originally in the picture. I'm going to move in a little bit closer and see if we can get a little side profile picture of the hills. Okay. Again, back here is the red lot, and from the original picture, this is the hill that's on the left. And hopefully this shows you a little bit of the grade of it. Probably the track, the lane should not go from right to left in this picture, probably more on this angle of coming straight down. Now I'm going to move across the red lot over to the second hill of choice, which is over here near the staff buildings, and the same thing, you shouldn't go down probably straight left to right over here. Probably track angle needs to be something like this, coming directly down from the staff building if we choose to use this one. And again, the red lot. I'm going to take a picture of the whole infield from up here from the red lot here in just a moment. Guys, here we are up at the top of the hill on the red lot. I'm going to kind of scan, let's call it the horizon again. I was just taking pictures from down there at the bottom, and we're going to scan around. There's the Fort Barlow again. And this is the hill on the right. Just bring into the picture there the lounge that's right behind it. We've got a flagpole. To me, this is a hill that seems more suitable myself personally here. Scanning back over here to the one that was the left of my truck in the parking lot. This is the other hill of choice. We've got really two to choose from. And then kind of a valley in between the two of them. I'll move on and try and get some more helpful visuals for you now. On the way out, just taking a picture of where they're going to be holding the archery and then the BB competition. This is not in the infield. This is through the tree line on the other side of Fort Brumley. And then I'll scan back up of kind of how the scouts will come back up to our area. You'll see a trail right there that leads back up to Fort Brumley. Through Fort Brumley goes back over to the adventure field, which is on the other side of that tree line.